If you're a fitness junkie, you need to hear this. Rest days are your best friend. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow while you're resting. Yep, that's right. Rest and recovery are for getting stronger and avoiding burnout. Let's break it down. First up, rest days. Taking a day off allows your muscles to rebuild and recharge, making you come back stronger. Think of it as a power-up. Next, sleep. Aim for 7. 9 hours of quality shut-eye. Your body does some serious repairing while you dream. Don't forget, first things first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our motivational tips of protein and carbs after those intense workouts. It's like giving your muscles a VIP treatment. Lastly, active recovery. Light activities like walking or gentle yoga keep your blood flowing and muscles happy. It's like a mini spa day for your body. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So be kind to yourself, stay consistent, and watch those gains roll in. You've got this.